What's up, Radans? We see right now Bitcoin is dumping. We created here, as I told you yesterday already, we created perfectly this double top as you see it here. And not only this double top on the daily we have, but we broke also, as I told you, also the last days we broke down this rising wedge, which is very bearish, and the price target is here, the bottom of the wedge, which is around 40,588. So I'm expecting here at least that we will go at least to the support line 40,750, to this red line. And this red line, as you know, is a huge support and resistance line, which you see here. It's right now here white line, which goes back to 2020. It's support, and here in turn right now also into support line. Previous was resistance line, we broke it to the upside, and right now it functions as a huge support line. As soon as we break, in case we break it down, as the price target is 40,500, then I'm expecting the next price target will be 30,900, and the next one would be 34,800. But this one is not as big as the monthly 20 moving average, which is around 30,700. So in case we're breaking the red line, I expect we will go to 30,750 at least, bratans. And don't forget, 100 days only we are away from the halving, and I am in my short position. I closed my FXS position, my long FXS position, because I expect FXS also to dump as we see Bitcoin dumping. But I'm Solana short, which is right now $2,500 in profits, which is amazing. I expect Solana further to dump to the downside, and FXS I expecting also to dump at least to a price target, which I'm watching here at around the next big support line. As you see here, coming at $7.96. But I expecting that we could see also here around $7.50. You see it here, right? We have two support lines coming in, but this one we retested so often. This line at $8 approximately, we retested this. It's really really often. The next big one is here at $7.50, but I have my orders placed at $7.70. So I have my orders placed here at around $7.70. I hope we will touch this ones, because then I can make nice profits here. You see it here, I prepared already current orders here at $7.70. I prepared a lot of buy orders, and I guess I prepare even more. So hopefully we will break this line to the downside, because we retested it so often. You see it here, a lot of retest, and the more we are retesting this line, the more likely we will break this line to the downside towards support level $7.50. So let's see, will this work out or not? If we're watching the crypto bubbles today, we see here some ordinals pumped. You see Ordi pumped, Sats pumped, Sui pumped, amazing. All this we bought. Ordi we bought, we bought a lot of Ordi, Gala, some how it called gaming coins pumped, but Ordi and Sats are considered as meme coins, even though these are the better meme coins, because they really they truly on a how is it? It's historically, because it's inscribed in the Bitcoin blockchain, right? So therefore I see this as the real meme coins. And I posted also yesterday about the meme coins, because the ordinals, these are in my opinion the next big ordinals to go, which will be Pepe, OKX, Bored Ape, Yacht Club, Sats for sure. Yes, this is what I'm watching. I sorted out them for the volume, so they have the most of volume. These are some coins which I'm closely watching. I'm not buying it right now. Why I'm not buying it right now? Because I expecting a more dump here, obviously, as I wrote here also in the title. And in case we see here this huge dump, I see all the ordinals will also dump, and this would be a nice buy opportunity. And the big price tag which we are watching as I speak the whole time about it, I'm already tired to speak even about it, is the big price target is here, this on the really huge picture. Wait a minute, let's go here, the weekly, is here this red line which we have to retest, which we always retesting, but never retested here. So at 21,500, this red line before the halving, I'm expecting, because the deadline is in March. In March 2024 is the deadline for BlackRock ETF, and I'm expecting before we see huge dump. Obviously, because the institutions in BlackRock want to buy cheap, right? I mean, you see here, we're getting here rejected several times. We could see here dump to 30K to retest here this yellow line of this huge ascending broadening wedge at 30K, and then see another pump to 60K, and after it a dump to 22K. But this is all right now far in the future, not so far, maybe 2 months in the future, but this is what I'm watching for. This is my strategy, bratans, and around 20-21K is my price target of this is the lowest low which I expecting Bitcoin to go, because we have here a CME gap still open at between 20 and 21,500. So this is my strategy, this is what I expect, and this is what I'm watching to buy. I hope really that we will see here FXS further dumping, because I'm expecting FXS to make 2x from here, at least to $16, because FXS had his halving, and historically we had always, after the halving, we had a massive pump. You see it here, bam, we had, 1 second, the blue lines showing us the halvings. So we had here pump of 250 after the halving, and here we had also a pump of around it was not 300. I mean, if we are watching until the end, it was also around 250. So what we are watching here is at least Bitcoin to go to FXS to go at around $20. So I mean, this is what I'm watching for, and this would be really nice. But at least I'm watching that we will go to $16. This is the first price tag which I'm watching. Hello. Water. Yes, can I have please sparkling water and Americano, and can you please close this one?
Let me just check with the folks.
Thank you so much.
Just, for now, 1 Americano and 1 sparkling water.
Yeah, and lemon juice on the side.
Sparkling water?
Yes, thank you. So yeah, this is super black. So this is what I'm watching for, and I really hope that we will see this dump, because I closed my long position, as I told you, on FXS, and I hope we will touch the $7.70, because this would be much better entry position, because this would be from here on, from $7.70, this would be 10% again, and 10% on $200,000 is 20K. So I hope I'm right here. If I'm wrong here, this would be not so nice, because I'm losing the opportunity of $200,000 profits here. However, I bought a lot of FXS on spot also. So yes, I would lose something, but okay. Please show chart again. Huh? I see what you see the screen. You see the screen, brother. Here, you see, you don't see? You should see everything. Write 1 in the chat if you see everything, bratan. And I quickly here, so we have today some crypto talk. It's working now, okay. I have to edit here quickly the description. 1 second. Oh my god, it's so hot. Блядь. Okay, I don't see. By the way, if you want, you can claim a $1,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. I will post right now the link, because I don't know why, but it's not showing here. 1 second. It's live. Хуй его знает, блядь, where I can here edit the Okay, anyways, thoughts on ADA, bratan. Cardano is, in my opinion, not a big option, because Cardano has a huge market cap right now, and if we are watching the market cap of Cardano, Cardano has a market cap of is it possible this one to put down?
But half only, sir.
Half? Yeah, this would be nice.
Sir.
Um,
And also the curtains.
the curtains, yeah, but also this, because this is very right. We have Cardano has a market cap of 21 billion, brother. It's not interesting for me. 21 billion, it's a massive market cap. So, I mean, yes, it can do 10x maybe in the best case, but even this is too much. And I'm not fan anymore of Cardano, so I don't care. Okay, which questions do we have else? And I will tell you. Let me quickly show you my position. So,
Yes.
oh yeah, this is much better.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. So, man, I hope really FXS will dump. So my Solana position, $2,300 in profit. That looks amazing right now. And where I can hear blood, change my description, all this shit blood in this. What is mock? Mock, I don't know this coin, bratan. Mock, I don't know. Do you hear me? Write one in the chat if you hear me. Which AI tokens do you hold? Yes, I'm holding. I show you which I'm holding. So I'm holding right now. Das auf dein Herz rattern. I'm holding. I'm holding FED. FED is one of the coins which I'm holding, which I wrote you also. Perfectly touched here the price target, crazy. Perfectly the resistance line at $76, 76 cents, $76 would be nice, man. Yes, we bought FED. We bought when we bought FED we bought somewhere here at 18-19 cents. So we made from here right now 300%, so 3x. That's nice. But as soon as we break here this line at $1.10, approximately $1.20, we are in price discovery, and there are no limits. So FED is definitely one of the coins which can do 10x from here, at least in my opinion. If we're watching Injective has a market of 3.4 billion, and if we're watching the market cap of FED right now, it has 610. So it's around, how much is it? 5x from here, at least. Then the other altcoin which I'm holding is Agix. Agix has only 400 million market cap, so from here is 10x. If they not do something wrong, I expecting here 10x at least. So Agix, if we're watching here, Agix has a lot of potential, man. Long time didn't do a TA here. I mean, we still have here the big resist line, 44 cent, as you see here. So 44 cent is, you don't see if I do it on full screen. Okay, I understand. So 44 cent is at least the price target, because we have here resistance line. So from here, I mean, depends that Bitcoin should break to the upside further or consolidate at least. So 27% expecting at least. Also, we have here cup and handle, as you see it here. The technical price target of a cup and handle would be here around even 62 cent, which would which would bring us nearly to our all-time high, which would be even around 86%. In the immediate short term, what I could expect from Agix, but in the long run, I expecting at least I expecting here $3 Agix, and yeah, I will definitely buy more of it if it's cooling down. But I definitely will buy more of ordinals. And concrete speaking about is Audi what I'm watching. I hope Audi will cool down. I mean, Audi will cool down. We are at $66. Yesterday we saw a break to $80. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Yeah, but I hope we will cool down at least here to a price target of $27 or $29, because you see it here. There's a lot of, wait a minute. There is a lot of resistance coming here, our previous resistance, and here support coming here a lot of. So I expect at least to $29 we will cool down, which would be amazing, because it's from here, if we are watching from around $29 or $30 to our all-time high, this would be around 1.7x, 177%. So that looks nice. Any gaming plays? Yes, gaming I hold also. So one is obviously Gala Games. Gala is has a 1 billion market cap. If we are watching, the all-time high was at 4 billion, so at least 5x, which I'm watching here. It depends if Gala will be as big as Mana last year, then we could expect here a market cap of even 8 billion, so it would be 8x from here. But I can imagine these gaming coins will be huge. But what I will do, as soon as we see more cool down here, as soon as we see Bitcoin breaking to 20k around, I will watch here on the categories, and we have to sort by market cap, and we have to go to GameFi. Wait a minute, I show it in a second. I have to drink something because I'm thirsty, blood. We have GameFi, blood. Coinbase, Dragonfly, Binance. Injective. Memes. You see how small it is. I mean, memes is above gaming. It's crazy, man. So if you're watching, the total market cap of gaming is 21 billion and memes are 23 billion. Crazy. Gaming and AI, these two categories, gaming and AI and ordinance, this is what I'm watching for. But as soon as we see cool down of gaming, I will watch to buy, for example, Beam is definitely one of these, which will be in the bull market, I think, from here, 10x from here. This I'm watching to buy. Illuvium, definitely Injective, ENJ, Engine Coin, Engine Coin, which I'm watching. Echelon Prime, this is what I'm watching also. Echelon Prime has 250 million. If it reaches only the market cap of Gala, it would be already a 4x from here. So Echelon Prime, but I'm waiting for a cool down, definitely. If, this one was also hyped in the previous bull run. This is what I'm watching for big time. It's a big project which is from founder, I think it was from founder of Mana or Sand, I can't remember. I think Mana. These are the gaming coins which I'm watching. Do you have any other question, Radan? Yeah, altcoin season. Regarding if as soon as altcoin season, it depends on Bitcoin right now, because we see Bitcoin dumping, which is very nice. And like I told you, I hope FXS will break here this $8 line, so we will see dump to $7.50 or because $7.70 I have here. Yeah, and my price tag for Solana is $100, so I hope this will work out. But altcoin season depends on Bitcoin, obviously, and how I'm watching if we're going in the altcoin season or not is ETH versus Bitcoin. And we see we are here in this huge symmetrical triangle right now, and as soon as we breaking as soon as we're breaking this line to the upside, we will see altcoin season. So we have to bounce on this line. If we're breaking here, then we see Bitcoin, further Bitcoin season or Bitcoin dumping. And I'm watching also the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is right now breaking down, which tell us that we are going into that we are already in some altcoin season, because we see some altcoins pumped already over, made 2, 3, 4x, some did even 10x. So yeah, Bitcoin faced right now some support here. Let's see how low we can go. I mean, we can go to 51% approximately, because at 51% we see huge resistance line. This how we predicted, by the way, this pump. We had this falling wedge. We had here again falling wedge. Boom, Bitcoin broke out. So it perfectly, everything worked out. This how we knew that Bitcoin pumps to the upside. And I still expecting Bitcoin further to pump, but first we have to cool down at least to 40k. Why 40k? Also because at 40k we have also a huge CME gap open. You see it here between 40 and 39,500. So this is what we could see possibly right now closing, and I hope. But if we are closing it at between 40 and 39,500, it would be perfectly matched with this support line, this blue support line. You see it here. It's a huge support line, this blue one. You see. We had here massive support since it's a support line since October, so 2 months support line. So, but if we're going as low as 39k, I'm expecting that we will dump to the monthly support line to 30,800. But then still we could see 60k, pump to 60k. Suka, блядь. Here are so many, how it called? You know how it called, right? So I have quickly to go to the toilet. I come in a second. Bratans, prepare the question. Write me your questions here down below. I will answer them as soon as I'm back from the toilet, because I have exactly 30 minutes right now time for you to answer the questions. Then I have to wake up my wife and son, because we still have jet lag. Opa! Yes, Bitcoin dumping further, man. We broke again. You see here, we broke a massive support line. Here also, we broke already the next massive support line. And man, it's so clear that we will see dump. I mean, I could be here also again horribly wrong, but I mean, look, we broke this rising wedge to downside. We broke this massive support line, the first one, which is huge support line. Then we created here this massive double top. On the daily, you see it even clearly, this double top. You see it here, perfect double top. We broke it down. Now we broke the next support line, which is here. You see here a lot of support, and here a lot of support and resistance. I mean, it's so clear. I mean, like I said, nobody knows, but the probability that we will go to 40,700 is very high. I mean, this could be a nice short opportunity also, 4.5% to 40,750, but the price target is the bottom of the wedge, which is 40,500. It means we would break this red line, which would mean we would go to close to CME gap at around 39k. So this could be all in all 8.5% short opportunity, bratans. And yeah, sign into chat. What the fuck? Why I have to sign in my 1 second. Okay. I don't even see the chat, blood. 1 second, because I don't see the chat. I have to sign in. Ah, blood. Why it's in Spanish everything? Fuck. Second. Okay, now I can see you. 47 people watching. Thank you so much for everyone watching. Bratans, here $1,000 bonus you get on Bybit. Link I posted here. You get $1,000 margin if you put $100 in, so don't forget about it. Let's see if this dump works out, but I'm so sure. And let me quickly watch Solana, and then I'm coming to your questions again, because I'm right now, as I told you, for everyone who's right now watching, I'm right now here short on Solana, $2,500 in a short position, $2,500 in profits, $35,000 in short, and I mean, I can watch also here Solana, Solana. So Solana, I expecting, I mean, you see it here so clear. And if we are zooming on the 4 hourly, it's even more clear. Yes, we have here the first big support line. The first big support line would be obviously here at around 110, but the next one is here very obviously at around $99. So it's at least I expecting here Solana to dump to $110, and if we break this 110, which is a big support line, shit, it's really huge support line. You see it here because we retest so often. And the next one would be $100 or $99, 13% dump. But I expecting we should see dump because Solana is so overbought. Solana is far overbought, by far overbought. I mean, look at this, the pizdead, blood. We have here, we don't have here normal bullish divergence. We have like a big, huge cock bullish divergence. Look at this, bam, huge. You see, this is a massive bullish divergence, bearish divergence. We have bearish divergence. We have here a death cross. You see here, we have here death cross. Here, this is a death cross. The red line crossed the green line. The red line crossed the green line. We have here red dot. You see here, we have here red dot. So everything, but everything telling us we should see a massive dump. Oh, guys. I've pinned even. Yeah, we should see massive dump. So at least $110 first price target, and the next price target would be $99. So I see here massive potential of a short of Solana and Bitcoin. It all obviously depends if Bitcoin further dumps to the upside. Everything depends on Bitcoin, and I mean Bitcoin. We have here this death cross happening perfectly. It worked out. This сука, ты ж ёб твою мать, блядь. You see here, this death cross is here. We do not have a bullish, I mean, yes, we can't see we have a bullish divergence here because we still hear price go up, RSI go down. However, we are right now on a dump, and I'm expecting this will be invalid. And yeah, and on a daily we have a massive bearish divergence. Obviously, we have a massive bearish divergence. Here we have the where we had the bearish divergence, blind. Okay, this bearish divergence was here. From here, the RSI is going down while the price is going up. I mean, we could say it worked already out because we saw here this dump, but okay, on the weekly, it's more than obviously this bearish. This is a massive bearish divergence. Yes, you can say I want right now bearish divergence because I'm in a short and because I want the FXS to dump so I can re-enter it. But I mean, look at this, man. This is the bearish divergence of all bearish divergence. You see, the price go down, RSI go up, and we have on the weekly also a red dot appeared. We are massively overbought on the weekly, and expecting here that we will form a death cross. So the dump is inevitable. It will happen. The question is only one, when and how far. And as I told you, I'm expecting at least that we will see right now a dump at least to 40,800, probably even and hopefully to even 30,500, then possibly pump to 60k, and then a dump to 21k to close this CME gap, which is the first CME gap is at 40k, between 40 and 39,500, and the next one would be here at around 21k, between 20 and 21k. So which are your questions, Bradans? Write down right now your questions and I will answer for you the questions. 61 people watching now. Thank you so much, Bradans. I would appreciate if you hit the like button because it helps for the reach for the channel and so on. I know you are too lazy, but it's a very quick push and it helps really, it motivates me. I mean, even more, it motivates me if you make registration to my affiliate link and if you make profits. We're wondering why you was ignoring me. Where? Do you think we can have a small correction to 40k for Bitcoin, then have a huge pump to 48k and then have the big dump? Yes, 100%. Johnny Sins is writing here. Welcome, Johnny Sins, to our chat here, to our small private chat here. It's 100% possible that we will see only a dump to 40k. Why? Because this red line, and you're 100% right. I really love these people who understand TA and watching this channel, because we can speak about it, because this is what I didn't thought about, because 4800 is this red support line. It's a massive 2-3 years support and resistance line, which we manage finally to break to the upside. So it's not easy to break it to the downside. So yes, we could see here a dump to 40,800 to retest this red 3 years support line, and then we see this pump to the price, the first price 46,500, small resistance line, and then further to 50k. Yes, 100% possible. So in my opinion, there are three possibilities. The first one is 40,800 and the pump further to the upside. The second one would be dump to our blue support line, which is not a huge support line, but it's a 2-month support line, so to around 3,900 to close the CME gap and then a pump to the upside. Or the third one, which I would much more appreciate because we can buy lower altcoins, would be 30,800 and then a pump to the upside. However, in all three scenarios, I'm expecting we could go as high as 50k or even higher, and then we see this massive dump to close the CME gap, which you see here, 21k, right? because this is how the market usually play out. Everybody, what would happen? I mean, if you watch the big market psychology, what would happen if we see here dump to, in all of three scenarios, if we would see dump, everyone would, oh, now we are going to zero and blah blah, we go to 20k, and then market pumps and liquidate all the shorts again to 50k. Then everyone says we go to 100k, and then we see this dump to 20k, and then everyone like, ah, fuck this crypto, blah blah, and then we are going in the big bull run. And the big bull run is for us when not the halving. Yes, we know that before and after the halving, we are usually going into a bull run. But for us, it's not the big, sign here. For us, is you see, oh, the green one represents the halving, so the start of the square. But for us, it's not. This is the big sign of a bull run. For us, it's the BlackRock ETF, the approval of the BlackRock ETF, which is the deadline in March. And right now, everyone speaks about, oh, soon we will see the BlackRock ETF will be approved, like some degens like Martini guy and so on posting it. But this is all crap, bratans. If mainstream media is talking about soon will be Bitcoin ETF approved, you know it's quite the opposite usually. If the mainstream media is bearish, this is when you know we will soon see a pump. So I'm expecting that we will see some huge bearishness next year, and this is the moment when we see the dump, and this is the moment when we have to buy, or I at least. This is what I am hoping. Yes, full moon, you're right, Bratan. We have full moon, and there's a 60 till 80%. Today is full moon. 60 till 80%, we should see a pump. And the crazy thing is, the full moon is, it's not like we see a pump. Wait a minute, I have to switch off logarithmic. It's not that we have exactly on full moon a pump. It's not like you see. I mean, okay, I have on the weekly right now. If I'm switching on a daily, you see, we have several days after the full moon a pump. You see, it's not on the day. So what we could see right now, we could see today's full moon. We could see today on the next day a dump to 4,800 or 30,900 to close CME gap, and then a pump. So therefore, I'm expecting right now for a day trader, it's a nice short opportunity, and then it's a long opportunity. At least this is what I'm doing. I'm not only speaking. Here you see it, bratans. I am in the short. I am waiting here for Solana to dump and then to re-enter into big long. So which questions do we have, bratans? Which questions else you have? But it's very nice to speak with you, very interesting. And this is, you see, man, we creating lower lows on the 1 hourly. If we are watching, we creating lower lows here. So you see here lower lows and lower highs. You see it here. So everything looks really smells like a dump. It really smells like a dump. So, I mean, if you want, we can make a reaction on some of your favorite crypto YouTubers besides Slavik Jonge, Crypto Brother. Dann hast du es seit Monaten gecallt, ich habe Geld bereit, aber glaube nicht daran, dass wir wirklich so weit runtergehen, aber hoffentlich bekommt jeder die Chance. Ich bin mir ziemlich sicher, Brother. Es wäre so schön, um wahr zu sein, wenn wir jetzt schon den Bullrun gehen. Die werden niemals das zulassen. WorldCoin, yes, I know a lot of people are hyped about the WorldCoin, and I had the opportunity to invest it right before it was listed anywhere. Yeah, but anyways, this is another topic. But I'm a little bit mad of it. But WorldCoin, obviously, I don't expect WorldCoin to pump if Bitcoin is dumping. Then I really not expect it. Yeah, I mean, I think it could cool down as low as $2.80 if Bitcoin is cooling down, because $2.80 is a big support line, as you see it here. This is what I can tell you on this. But let's see, we are hit right now, massive support line. So if Bitcoin consolidates a pump, we could see another huge pump of WorldCoin. You are absolutely Right, bratan. You're 100% right. I closed my Solana short at 120. Short at 130. That was it. Okay, nice. If you closed in profits, nice. Is it possible that Bitcoin ETF will be not approved because USA like to protect USD? I don't think so at all, because, bratans, who is ruling the country? The country is ruling the big companies. And who are the big companies? This is Vanguard, BlackRock, and yeah, this is the major ones. And if BlackRock says they want a Bitcoin ETF, then we will have a Bitcoin ETF. And I expecting, I mean, what I expecting that they will tell you that there will be no Bitcoin ETF, so we see massive dump. This is what I expecting. This is what we could see. So we will have, in order to go to 21K, we will see a massive, like, black swan event, which indicates, oh, we go to 15K or 10K, but will be actually only to 21K. And maybe this is the news, that we will not have a ETF, but at the end we will have one. This is my opinion, only my opinion. Greetings from Argentina. Greetings back, bratan. Posho. You say Posho, right? We had a nanny, amazing nanny from Argentina. She said always Posho to chicken instead of Polo. So in my opinion, the ETF approval could result into a quick pump and then continuously bleeding as XRP when Ripple won against SC. Any opinion about that, brother? No, I don't think. No. This is completely two different things, because BlackRock ETF approval is like, you know, it means like it's a guarantee that billions, when not trillions, will move into the crypto market. It's like a guarantee for big institutions that we will see here money flowing into crypto. So therefore, after we have a confirmation of this approval, you will never see the price of Bitcoin. We will see massive pump. Yes, I mean, we could see pump from, let's say we will be at this moment at 30K, and then we see pump to 45K, and then we are cooling down to 38K or something like that, if you mean this. But we, after this approval, we will never see this price, which we will see before the approval. I hope I explained it. Do you consider that everything is a correction to continue rising? So I don't think that we will see the bottom again, if you mean this. I don't expect that we will see the bottom again. The bottom was at 15K or 16K. We hit the bottom, but I expect that we will go to 21K. Fucking stable coin, blood. Let's move to the downside, blood. Let's move. Junge. Oh, nice. Look, Solana. Solana, blood. Yes, this is what I want. I mean, I don't want that Solana go to zero, because I put Solana at $15. I bought Solana, so I made 10x on Solana. I bought 15K and made 150K out of it, and I'm still holding it, but I'm right now in a short. So therefore, you see here $3,000 in profit right now, and the first support level will soon hit 110. And the next one is 99. So as I told you, bratans, as I told you, for the experienced one, nice short 3% and 12%. But 3%, I think it's nearly guaranteed if Bitcoin further dumps. But 12%, this is not 100% safe, but that looks nice. The fuck I didn't show to you, bratans, obviously, yeah. It's because I'm happy. Oh yes, my Bob position. What happened to my Bob position? My Bob position is my Bob position. Where's my Bob position? Wait a minute. I have quickly to switch, and because I have to find my Bob position. Trade. Where's my Bob position, blood? Yes, my Bob position is looking not so good, I think. So my Bob position is right now. Yes, this is my Bob position. This is my Bob position. Wait a minute, where is this? Here, this is my Bob position. What second blind? How I can? Here, my Bob position I put in. I show you. Here, my Bob position. I have $20,000 put into Bob. It's right now $13,500 worth, and I'm expecting even that my Bob position will bleed even more. I expect my Bob position could go to $5,000 because obviously meme coins getting crushed completely. So, but I'm holding it because Bob, I think Bob could still make easily. Wait a minute, I have to switch back to the. Oh, suka, блядь. 1 second. I have to go back to my derivatives. Derivatives. Let's quickly watch Bob. 1 second. Let's quickly see Bob. So where we have Bob, here we have Bob. So Bob is in a major support line, by the way. Hitting major support line right now. Not now. Okay, but yeah, here. Still, we could go to 3.5, which could be nice entry position. Or this is the Bob could be. Maybe I buy even more Bob. Here, you see here at 33364, because this is a massive support. I mean, maybe even a little bit higher. We could say at 3411. You see it here, massive support and resistance. And Bob looks nice. I mean, we nearly broke all-time high. It's a meme coin, bro. This is gambling. This is absolutely gambling. And if we are watching Bob, let's go to Bob. It's a meme coin, which is right now have a market cap of 27 million. It makes easy 10x usually in a bull run. Well, we don't see any market cap. So let's see. Radan, I can't tell you anything about it, but yeah, possibly we could see here 10x from here. But this is gambling. This is 100% gambling. This is 100% gambling. This is, don't even, this is money which you put in, which you are willing to lose. By the way, I'm anyways putting in crypto only money which I am willing to lose, and this is all my money, by the way, but this is how I am. Maybe it's stupid, but this is what I'm doing. MCRT. Yes, MCRT I also holding. MCRT has pumped also very nice in the last days. No, yes, I can speak about MCRT. MCRT has a lot of development working in the background. We always speaking about that. I mean, James always speaking about it in our group. So they're working a lot on it. So I expecting MCRT at least to see 10x from here. I have also concerns about the BTC ETF here. All the BlackRock, most of them really don't have an extreme arm. If I remember right, it's the average arm for BlackRock ETF is 150 million. What means AUM? AUM. I heard astrology wasn't good for BTC in the first week January, but it started sooner. Hopefully we will see DAM, bratans. I hope really we will see DAM. We have to see DAM so I can buy FXS cheaper, bratans. I want to buy FXS cheaper. Let's go and watch FXS. Suka, блядь. Why it's pumping again? Suka. FXS has to dump because I have to re-enter FXS, man. It will be horrible if it's pumped now. Fuck, we have to see dump. I mean that they have only 150 million assets under management for the ETF. That's, I can imagine it, because it's considered as a risky asset. But as soon as it approved, there will be much more money flow into this ETF, brother. I'm pretty sure about it. I have 10 quant now. Should I buy more or stay there? Brother, I will not tell you should buy more or stay. You could decide yourself, but Quant is considered as a blue chip project, definitely. It's a project in top 100, 1.7 billion market cap. It's a solid project. The top was 4.6 billion, or how much? 4.6 billion. So it could do 3x from here. It could do 2.5, 3x from here. It's a solid project, so maybe it could do also 10x. Nobody knows, but yeah, it's considered as a solid project. I thought about to buy it here at $95. I saw it. Wait a minute, I go down a little bit so you see. At $95 here, but I didn't bought it. It would be nice, made 50% since then, but I don't know. I didn't buy it. If you have more questions, brother, write me down below. I have 10 minutes more for you before I have to wake up my wife and son. Water with lemon juice, very tasty. Should we watch some other crypto influencer and make a reaction on it? Moonriver, yes, Moonriver. It's a very nice, interesting project. I also holding a lot of Moonriver because it has a massive upwards potential. I mean, if we are watching, wait a minute, write me which crypto YouTuber we should watch. Look at this. The all-time high was at around $448, so it's 10x from here possibly. So I bought Moonriver somewhere here at $6 or something like that. So I made a lot of x. How much is it? 5x or something like that. I bought $10, at least 3x, 300% I made on it. And possibly we could cool down here to $26, maybe here at $14, but it has a massive potential. Yes, I bought a lot of it. Not a lot. I bought maybe for 20k or something like that. 267 million right now. The previous market cap was at nearly 1 billion, so 5x at least from here. Nice. What is 0x0 massive project? Well, will the Russian translator appear? We don't have any Russian translator because he has another job, not in the crypto world. So if somebody's watching who want to work as a Russian translator, write me. Or write assistant@bratan-productions.com. Bist du ein Kasper? Nein, aber ich will auch Kasper rein. As soon as cool down. What do you think about BitTorrent? BitTorrent, I don't know a lot of it, but yeah, I don't know a lot of it. VeChain is definitely a blue chip project, but it has a huge market cap already. So I'm not going into VeChain right now. 2.7 billion, it's too much in my opinion. I mean, it has a potential of what has 25 cents, around 7x from here. Wait a minute, we have to check market cap. Market cap is around 2.6 billion, all-time high 16 billion. So $5x from here or something like that. Yeah, it's a blue chip project, I would say, but I'm not going into I'm not going to invest in it. I want more access. But Casper definitely I will invest in. Wait, not Casper, not this one. I mean this Casper. This Casper. This one I want to invest because this seems a really huge blue chip, but I want to cool it down to 50 cent or something like that, and I will jump into it because it's so overbought right now. Far overbought. Too much overbought. Let me check my... Yes, Solana, $3,000, my short position, amazing. Any thoughts on Gala? Yes, Scala, I told already, Gala expecting from here to go 10x. So I am invested also in Gala, so expecting 10x in the bull run. Any about the FUD with MEXC exchange, the CEO delete his Twitter account? I don't know, Bratan. I don't have any opinion on it, but I don't think that it will go down. However, I would take off all my coins, and I have also there some coins. Like, I have to check. I have some coins there. Let me quickly check. I have some coins on Max. $3,000 I have on Max. Or I have paper. $2,000 on paper. Voyak, $1,200. UFO Atlas. Yeah. Quant could do 5x from here, I think, at least. Yeah, Bitcoin nicely dumping. Very nicely dumping. This is what I like. Yeah, we have here support, some support coming in. Maybe we see bounce back again to retest this line for 3,400. But in case you are short right now on Bitcoin, make sure your stop is above here. I would say about 43,900, just to be safe. If you can speak about safe. Ordinal $100. Ordinals are expecting even more, bratans. Ordinals are expecting even more. Bonk. Let us watch Bonk. Where is Bonk? Here we have Bonk. Okay, Bonk is nicely cooling down. Oh wow. It's crazy how it pumped. Yeah, Bonk could cool down to 15 or even down here to 12. Hopefully even to here, as low as this one, but I don't expect. But the big support is at 15. Ordinals, let me quickly again watch Ordinals. Yeah. Ordinals could make 10x from here. 10x from here. Easy. I think market cap 20 billion possible. If we're watching Shiba Inu market cap, which was the meme coin of the previous bull run, was around 40 billion. It could even go to 40 billion. It could even do a 30x from here. From here. This would be so nice, but yeah, I don't want to be how it's called, enttäuscht. What is enttäuscht? I don't want to be Was heißt enttäuscht bleiben? So I'm hoping here for 10 billion market cap or even 20 billion. Disappointed, yeah, disappointed. Thank you, my German brothers. Thank you. So Aave, like I told you, let me go Aave. Aave, like I told you, the big price target, and this also possibly nice long opportunity. Aave, the big price target is still $150, brothers. Big price target Aave, $150. We broke off the symmetrical triangle. The price target is still not changed. It's still $150. In the immediate short term, we could obviously cool down to $64. Depends if Bitcoin dumps to 21k. But Aave in the bull run are expecting to go to $1,000. So this could be nice 10x opportunity here. This is my opinion on Aave. This dump, I tell you, this dump to 4,700 or to close CME gap to 3,900, this will be not slow bleeding. It will be 15-minute candle down. You will see it. You will see it, brother. Dankeschön, brother. Lever fights their. I don't know about lever fight. Oh, Cubic, yes, brother. Cubic, this is what I'm hoping for. Cubic. Wait a minute, I'll go to the CoinGecko. Cubic, it's a very nice entry position for everyone who didn't bought Cubic. I mean, we bought Cubic, it's around 3,300 per billion. We bought Cubic at $200 per billion. It's around $3,000 per billion. But if you're watching, we've been here already at $5,000 per billion or even higher. Wait a minute, yeah, we've been even at $7,000 per billion. So it's a nice buy opportunity. It's at least 2x in the immediate short term. In the big bull run, people speaking about 100x. I mean, 10x are expecting from here, but some people speaking even about 100x. It has right now a market cap of 250 million, and the founder is IOTA. So this is one of the big blue chip projects. One of the founders of IOTA exited IOTA and switched to and founded Cubic. So this could be huge. This could be huge, brother. Cubic. If someone told you about Cubic, that was me in the very early stage. When you had Arvin loss, but you knew how to be patient and then make profits. Admirable. Thank you, Pablo. Yeah, 20k I made on Cubic, or 25. Yeah, it's nice. Jetzt ist Sound endlich normal. Wie war denn der Sound vorher? Thank you everyone for watching, bratans. If you don't mind, hit the like button so it pushes a little bit the video. I mean, we have 45 likes now. If everyone pushes right now a like, we reach maybe 60 likes. Oh, fuck, I have again to go to massage. Okay, yeah, when we have sound problems, you have to write me, because maybe I touching here a little bit the microphone, so man, FXS has to dump, like FXS has to dump at holding this fucking $8.40. Ooh, Solana dumping 3,100, 3,150. This looks so nice, bro. Look, we have live trading here, man. Next time I do live trading, look how perfectly we are heading to $110 to the support line. Oh, I hope we break it. I mean, look how much we retested it. We should break it and see Solana at $100, because there are a lot of stop loss at $100. So I hope this will work out, because if this works out, this works out, where we have it, if this works out here, $100, we have profits of 6,800, as you see it here. 6,800 would be nice. Nice. 3,150, yeah. Slavik, where will you pick up FXS? FXS I'm watching to pick up at dumping, yes, Solana is dumping here. My orders is at $7.70. $7.70. This is where I want to pick up, but I have only, I make 3.5x on this leverage, only 3.5x. I'm careful here because I going with 200k approximately inside of this trade, so yeah. What about FED? FED, yeah, FED, I expecting 10x from here. Time to rotate in alts and altcoins. I would go. I would wait until we see this huge dump, or until we see cool down. We have to cool down, man. We have really to cool down here. $3,300. Yes, hey man, look how perfect you were reaching this line. You saw I draw this line not when we're reaching it. I draw this line before, brother. And it's not about the line drawings. It's about you have to consider a lot of factors, you know, because people who just drawing the lines, as I see in my posts on how it called, on, you know what I mean, on Twitter. It's so stupid. You have to consider more factors. Should I sell my Bitcoin? What should I do with Aave? You have to decide yourself. I would nothing do with Aave. And Bitcoin wouldn't sell. But shorting is a nice opportunity, as I told you, in my opinion. Give us online setup. What do you mean, give us online setup? Man, but this I have to post again about this. Wait a minute here. We'll make a picture of it. And I post it on Twitter. I will post it now. Post what we are writing. Sol short $3,000 already in profits. Nice. $100 price target, or get I liquidated before. I'm not sure if this is proper English, but yeah, wait a minute, I have to switch here because I have to upload the photo. I'm not sure which photos you see, so not that you see my big cock photos, so okay, now I can show you back. Bam. Post. So go, bratans, and like this. I would appreciate it. Here, boom. Suka vajca. Bam. My self-liking for sure. Let's go, dump. But you see, we're fighting here the support line. You see it, support here, it's a support. So look how perfectly you see it's holding the support, but we should break it. We created lower highs and lower lows, so it's, the probability is very likely. You might add patient pace. Yes, maybe I would add, but what is my stop loss? My liquidation is 129. Maybe I should add maybe to this position. But if I add to my position, No, it's so dangerous because what if we see here bounce? I will. This is like a small position. I will focus on FXS because I want to long FXS because FXS is really, it should make 2-3x from 2x at least, or 2.5x from here in the next 2-3 weeks. So I want to focus on it and be patient on it. So yes, I will wait for better for this. I don't want to lose this. Brought some time to roll a fat one. Well. Oh, we have 10:56. So, Bradans, I would appreciate if you one time hit the like button. So, I hate to say it, Bradans, but it's good really for the algorithm. It really pushes the video. And I have to go. I have to wake up my wife because we have still jet lag, and my MacBook showing us also will sleep soon unless plugged into power outlet. So I really appreciate, we have over 60 people constantly watching here. I really appreciate, Bratans, that you with me and we could talk about it. I told you my opinion, you said your opinion. Some of you are also very known in this space, so this is amazing. I might go more often online, so live I mean. So thank you everyone for watching, and I kiss you and I see you